why is it important for the people of Ladakh to be safeguarded under 6th schedule? Ladakh is a fragile ecosystem. It's like another planet. So why is it important for the people of Ladakh to be safeguarded under 6th schedule? Because Ladakh is a hilly, fragile ecosystem. It's like another planet rather than any place in the planet Earth. So it's very different from rest of India or the world. And it has many sensitive, unique cultures, indigenous tribal cultures. Provision Article 244, 6th schedule, which provides autonomous councils to these regions and indigenous people, where such indigenous people can send public representatives and they can make laws to govern their own state, because it will be difficult for any other people to understand such cultures and